The 2025 Honda G/150 Cargo is a bike built for those who need reliable, efficient, and practical transportation, whether you're running a small business or simply need a workhorse for daily tasks. Let's dive into what makes this bike stand out. First off, it comes with the 150cc air-cooled engine. While it may not be the most powerful engine, it's perfect for handling urban traffic, rough roads, and, most importantly, heavy loads. The G/150 Cargo's torque-focused engine delivers excellent low-end power, allowing it to pull weight effortlessly without sacrificing fuel efficiency. What truly sets the G/150 Cargo apart from regular bikes is its cargo capacity. Equipped with the reinforced rear cargo platform, it can carry up to 150 kilograms, making it ideal for deliveries, groceries, or work equipment. Its design ensures the center of gravity stays low, so even when fully loaded, the bike remains stable and easy to control. Enhanced suspension and rugged tires further support its ability to handle daily heavy-duty use. In terms of design, the Honda G/150 Cargo isn't about flashy looks, it's built for durability. The reinforced steel backbone frame ensures strength where it's needed most, and the overall compact yet robust design makes it ideal for navigating narrow city streets or crowded markets. Practical features like wide foot pegs, a protective skid plate under the engine, and a comfortable seat contribute to its functionality and comfort over long rides. When it comes to performance, the G/150 Cargo shines with smooth and efficient handling. It's equipped with telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, allowing it to glide over rough terrain effortlessly. Despite its heavy-duty focus, the bike remains nimble and light, making it ideal for weaving through city traffic. Braking is also reliable with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, ensuring safety under various conditions, even when carrying heavy loads. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the G/150 Cargo. With a claimed economy of around 45–50 km per liter and a 12-liter fuel tank, it ensures fewer stops at the pump and lower operational costs. Honda's reputation for reliability extends to this model, with simple, easy-to-service components that keep maintenance costs low and maximize time on the road. What makes the 2025 Honda G/150 Cargo unique is its practical design, rugged performance, and Honda's trusted engineering. For delivery drivers, small business owners, or anyone who needs a versatile vehicle for transporting goods, the G/150 Cargo is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks. It's tough, efficient, and reliably built to get the job done. All in all, the G/150 Cargo is the ideal workhorse for modern-day needs, combining utility, durability, and economy in one powerful package.